Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secret to achieving those lifted, fuller lashes? Well, it's time to talk about the unsung heroes of our makeup routines, eyelash curlers. The right eyelash curler can be a game changer, transforming your lashes and enhancing your entire eye look. But here's where it gets controversial. Not all curlers are created equal, and finding the perfect one can be a real challenge. So, let's dive into the world of eyelash curlers and discover the top picks that will have your lashes fluttering with success. Vogue has scoured the market and consulted with industry experts to bring you the ultimate guide to eyelash curlers. Our editors have carefully selected these products, ensuring an unbiased and honest review. While we may receive compensation from retailers, rest assured that our recommendations are based solely on their quality and performance. You might have tried countless mascaras promising to open up your eyes, but without the right eyelash curler, you're missing out on the full potential. A great mascara can help, but the real magic happens when you combine it with the perfect tool. The issue? Some curlers are awkward to handle, others tug at your lashes, and some can even cause discomfort. That's why we've gathered Vogue's favorite eyelash curlers, each carefully vetted by experts and tested by our editors. These curlers are not only ergonomic and easy to use, but also designed to suit all eye shapes and lash lengths. And get this, some even come with a heated feature, which is totally safe and adds an extra lift to your lashes. Makeup artist Courtney Hausner puts it best. Eyelash curlers are a total game changer. They create length, volume, and give you a wide-eyed, expressive look. And guess what? You don't have to be an eyelash curling expert to benefit from these tools. Makeup artist Alex Mayo emphasizes that every eye shape can gain from using an eyelash curler. It lifts the lashes, making them appear longer, and giving you a more awake and vibrant look. So, whether you're a lash curling novice or a pro, it's time to explore our top picks and find the perfect eyelash curler for your needs. Get ready to flutter those lashes with confidence. In this article, we'll cover the key features to look for in an eyelash curler, a step-by-step guide on how to use an eyelash curler, the effectiveness of eyelash curlers and whether the type matters, our testing process and methodology. Meet the experts who helped us curate this list. Let's get started with our top picks. Best for a natural bend, Chanel Le Record Cils de Chanel. Chanel's eyelash curler is a favorite among celebrity makeup artists. Lisa Aharada raves about its beautiful curve, which fits most eye shapes and delivers a natural bend to the lashes. The best part? It creates a uniform curl that lasts all day without requiring excessive pressure. You'll achieve a lifted, eye-opening effect, making it seem like you had a full night's rest. Just be gentle with your grip to avoid getting too close to the lash line. Best drugstore option, Revlon Triple-Stepped Eyelash Curler. This Revlon curler is a steal at under $15 and is perfect for those with round eyes. Its unique 3-tiered design curls 3 points of your lashes simultaneously, so you only need a gentle squeeze. No more repetitive curling and risking lash damage. Best for almond-shaped eyes, Shiseido Eyelash Curler. Shiseido's curler is a revelation for those with almond or flatter eye shapes. It uses an edge-free design to reach lashes from the inner to the outer corner, volumizing without pinching. A bit of an investment, but one that lasts with proper care. Best for short lashes, Chu Umura Iconic Eyelash Curler. This classic curler is a favorite among makeup artists. It's designed to prevent pinching and pulling, making it user-friendly. It grips every lash in one smooth motion, delivering a quick curl perfect for those always on the go. As for precision, Revitalash Signature Eyelash Curler. Makeup artist Taylor Chanel loves this well-made and weighted curler for its precision. It features a wide opening, suitable for all eye shapes and lash lengths. The brand also donates a portion of proceeds to breast cancer research, so you can feel good about your purchase. Best Heated Lash Curler, Cella Heated Eyelash Curler. Courtney Hausner recommends Cella's heated curler for its clamp-free design, ensuring no accidental crimping. The curl also tends to last longer with the heat. Despite the warmth, it's gentle enough to use without worrying about lash damage. Best for round eyes, Tweezerman Pro Master Lash Curler. This precision tool is a favorite of Brigitte Rice Anderson. It gives a subtle, natural curl that lasts for hours. Designed for almond and deep-set eyes, it sits at a 38-degree angle. Contributor Iman Balagam loves it for its ease of use and ability to get close to the lash line without poking. Best Lash Lift Effect, Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash Lift Heated Lash Curler. There's a learning curve with heated lash curlers, but once you get the hang of it, you might never go back. Makeup artist Taylor Chanel loves this curler for its durability, 2 heat settings, and ease of cleaning. It provides a curl lasting up to 8 hours and is rechargeable. Best for all eye shapes, Kevin Aucoin the Eyelash Curler. Alex Mayo swears by this curler for its ability to flatter any eye shape. The width and curve of the design provide great resistance when clamping. Crafted from stainless steel, it's durable and easy to maintain. Best to curl all lashes, Surratt Beauty Releve Lash Curler. Robert Sesnek declares Surratt's curler as his absolute favorite. The curve shape, weight, and performance are unbeatable. It's designed to work on all eye shapes, making it easy to get every lash. For a padded clamp, Dior Backstage Eyelash Curler. Courtney Hausner loves Dior's lash curler for its padded clamp and definition. It's designed for all eye shapes and is a bit of a splurge, but the sturdy construction makes it worth it. For beginners, ELF. Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Curler, Lisa Aharon, recommends this affordable and easy-to-use curler for beginners. It has a satisfying bounce, creating a smooth, even curl. Despite its simplicity, it delivers impressive results. Best for falsies, Velour 2 Extra Lash Curler. Robert Sesnek describes this curler as a soft touch, providing great results in one curl. It's designed with natural and false lashes in mind, featuring an extra wide opening and a white silicone pad for visibility. Everything you need to know, choosing the right eyelash curler. Makeup artist Brigitte Rice Anderson advises choosing a curler that complements your eye shape. She suggests a round shape for rounder eyes and a straight curl for flatter eyes. The wrong tool can pinch your eyelids or leave some lashes out of the curl. Robert Sesnek emphasizes the importance of the curler's design, recommending fluffy and supple silicone pads for a safe and effective curl. Heated lash curlers are a great option for those seeking a more long-lasting curl, especially if traditional curlers don't hold well. The heat helps set the curl, similar to a curling wand for hair. They're also often gentler on lashes when used properly. How to use an eyelash curler. Courtney Hausner recommends using an eyelash curler to prep lashes before mascara. She suggests opening the curler fully, looking down and setting your lashes into the curler as close to the root as possible without pinching. Hold the clamp closed for a few seconds and repeat the motion on the middle and ends of your lashes for added lift. Follow with a lash primer and mascara, and finish with a heated curler to lock in the curl. Remember to clean your curler after each use to remove bacteria. Do eyelash curlers really work? Lisa Aharon considers a lash curler her desert island makeup tool. While results may vary for those with super straight lashes, most people will see a noticeable difference. Even on no makeup days, a quick squeeze can open up the eyes and maximize the impact of mascara. Does the type of eyelash curler matter? Aharon explains that the type of eyelash curler makes a difference. Consider the shape, as different eye shapes require different designs, and the band inside the curler. Opt for soft, squishy padding to create a natural-looking curl and prevent breakage. Keep your curler clean to avoid lash sticking and potential breakage. Our testing process at Vogue. We take a holistic approach to product testing and review. We consult with experts, including board-certified dermatologists and celebrity makeup artists, to gain professional insights. We then pair their expertise with our editorial best practices to curate thoughtful product edits. For eyelash curlers, we selected the best based on material, ergonomic handles, arch and width, heat settings, and the type of curl created. We combined our personal tests with expert guidance and reviewer insights to determine our recommendations. Meet the experts. Lisa Aharon, New York-based celebrity makeup artist with clients like Rachel Brosnahan and Molly Ringwald. Alan Avendano, celebrity makeup artist whose clients include Sandra Oh, Isabella Merced, and Sabrina Carpenter. Taylor Chanel, celebrity makeup artist with clients like Alton Mason and Laketis Stanfield. Courtney Halsner, celebrity hair and makeup artist who's worked with Jay Shetty, Don Tolliver, and Madison Bailey. Matin Malawaizada, celebrity makeup artist who's worked with Lupita Nyong'o, Angelina Jolie, and Mandy Moore. Alex Mayo, celebrity makeup artist with clients like Lizzo, Adut Akech, and Mariah Carey. Wendy Miyake, celebrity makeup artist and men's groomer with clients like Kourtney Kardashian, Kelly Rowland, and Madonna. Dylan Pena, celebrity makeup artist who's worked with Beyoncé, Paloma Elsesser, and Dan Reynolds. Brigitte Reese Anderson, celebrity makeup artist with clients like Hunter Schafer, Sutton Foster, and Michelle Pfeiffer. Robert Sesnick, celebrity makeup artist who's worked with Vanessa Hudgens, Sophia Bush, and Julianne Moore. So there you have it, our comprehensive guide to eyelash curlers. We hope this helps you find the perfect tool to enhance your lashes and take your eye look to the next level. Happy curling!